days are getting longer and longer. Daily routines extend, and it becomes inevitable to not fall into the hands of anxiety. We tend to be more isolated in general, and therefore getting a pleasant and restful sleep becomes complicated. In the case of adults, it is recommended that they sleep 7 to 9 hours in a row for the body and mind to recover. However, if you have troubles falling asleep, you should know that fortunately there are natural remedies that can help the snooze come faster. Today's video discusses drinks to help you sleep better. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. 1. Warm milk. Warm milk is one of the best options to include a deep and cozy sleep. It contains tryptophan, which increases serotonin in the brain, a substance that gives us feeling of happiness and well-being. The hormone melatonin is produced more under these conditions, and this is essential since it is capable of arousing sleep even in those suffering from chronic insomnia. 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea relieves stomach aches due to its anti-inflammatory properties. By deflating the muscles, peppermint also decreases their intensity, allowing the body to relax properly. If you are preparing for an exam or an important presentation that keep you tossing and turning at night, this tea is a great option to consider. 3. Cherry juice. Cherry juice, like milk, contain tryptophan, therefore it can produce the hormone melatonin, improving your quality of sleep. This juice has been tested in several studies to treat insomnia and has been proven to be one of the most effective options to combat it, ensuring more hours of rest at night. 4. Green tea. Loaded with antioxidants, green tea is an option to consider for any time of the day. However, when it comes to sleep, decaffeinated green tea is the best option. It contains theanine, which promotes relaxation and the release of physical stress, helping you to have a long and restful night's sleep. 5. Almond milk. Almonds are loaded with everything the body needed to get a deep sleep. Rich in magnesium, almond milk has proven to be very effective when it comes to promoting sleep. Due to the effectiveness of this mineral, like cow's milk, almond milk has tryptophan, and thanks to this, the body can produce melatonin. This hormone is essential to regulate sleep schedules, and that is why many people with chronic insomnia tend to take melatonin supplements to sleep properly. 6. Ashwagandha tea. Ashwagandha is an ancient herb that is used medicinally for a wide variety of physical problems. It has become known for its ability to reduce cortisol and therefore feeling of stress and anxiety. It has proven to be very effective to distend and relax the mind, contributing to a more peaceful night's sleep. Have you tried any of these drinks for a better sleep? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.